Hey guys, welcome everybody. So I just purchased a Ruger AR-556. I got the free float handrails, and this is the Davidson's edition. Um, I was looking everywhere on YouTube for videos on this. I wanted to see the color and check all that out, and I just couldn't find anything on this particular rifle. So I'm gonna pull it out of the box, show it to you guys, and maybe it'll give some people a better idea of what it looks like. So today is April 2nd, 2020, and we're kind of in the midst of the coronavirus lockdown. And I'm in Georgia, so we're about to lock down tomorrow. And I'm not going to say this is a panic buy, but I kind of thought it would be a good idea. So this is what it looks like. This is the 16-inch barrel. I'm going to go ahead and remove the wrap off of it. I've actually already wiped this rifle down because now we have to wipe everything down, which we bring from outside. I'm very satisfied with the color. It's that dark brown that I was really looking for. Seems very well made. It has the Ruger, let's see, branding on both sides. Let me turn it around. Right here, you can see that. Just very satisfied so far. I'm going to take it out to the range and try it out over there. It comes with the this is the PMag. Yeah, this is the Magpul 30 round magazine, and as you can see, pretty satisfied with what I have. And a lot of these videos are made in the dark, so I wanted to bring it out. It's a beautiful day today. Alright, and maybe I'll put another video up once I take it out to the range. Alright, thank you very much guys. Y'all take care, be safe out there. You know, whatever proper precautions you need for the times we're in right now. Thank you very much.